right, so these are the handle for the one-man saws. And something that I think is kind of cool and interesting is you can actually mount these handles in 2 different spots. They tighten and loosen. They've got a pin, and the pin just drops down there. So this handle, the way that it tightens and loosens is it just screws, and some of those holes are a little further apart. All right, so you can either run your handle up here, or say if you had a helper and you could almost use one of them, oh, I say almost, but it basically would almost turn it into a 2-man saw. So there you go. Also have all the files for sharpening the saws. One right there is for the bigger crosscut saws. I also got the medium one. It'll do the I think it's like from 5.5 TPI up to the 10 TPI. Then we've got the precision triangle file, and it's for your smaller the dovetail and tenon saws.